Welcome to this guided meditation. This is your time now to set aside all of those consuming thoughts, all of those stories that have been running through your mind, and just let them all dissolve away. The only thing that matters right now in this moment is my voice and your breath and the stillness that you're allowing to wash over your body. Taking a nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just continuing with these deep breaths for a moment. And with every exhale, just allowing your body to soften and relax. Again, letting go of all of those thoughts and stories that have been plaguing you today and this week, and knowing that absolutely nothing else matters but what is happening right now in this present moment. Now is your opportunity to be with yourself, to give yourself the gift of presence. Still continuing with those nice deep breaths, noticing how it feels as your body slows down. Allowing your breath now to come back to its natural rhythm. I want you to bring your awareness to the top of your head. And letting this awareness now sweep down your body. Noticing first your forehead as it relaxes. As your awareness sweeps down now to your cheeks. And just allowing them to soften. And coming down now to your mouth, releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth, relaxing your teeth and your jaws as you just now bring your awareness completely to the whole face. Taking a nice deep inhale and allowing everything to relax. As your awareness now sweeps down your neck and your throat, and noticing as you make your way down to your shoulders. Just allowing this space here to relax. Rolling your shoulders if you need to release any tension. Making sure that there is enough space between your shoulders and your jaw. That awareness now sweeps down both of your arms as you feel them relax and become heavier with the next exhale. Coming back now to your chest and allowing that to expand with the next inhale. Feeling your chest and upper back expand and then contract. Noticing how light they feel with that next exhale. And sweeping down now towards your stomach, and you just allow everything here to relax and soften. No need to hold on to any tension in this area. Sweeping your awareness out the back of your lower back, noticing any tension you might be feeling here. And just breathing into this space and allowing everything to wash away that you are holding here. Feeling into your hips now. Allowing this space to soften, any tension to just dissolve. And then sweeping down your legs. With every inhale, you're filling your body with open, clear energy, and with every exhale, you are pushing out all of the old and stagnant energy. As your awareness now seeps down, down, down both of your legs, past your knees, and then slowly making its way out through your toes until finally you feel that deep state of relaxation. And in this moment, with your body feeling lighter, with your mind quiet, you just take a moment to sit in this stillness and to receive through any guidance you might need. Trusting whatever has come through to you in this moment. Do not overthink it. And now, bringing your awareness back to your chest. Just allowing this space to open and expand as you move into the rest of your day. Taking a nice deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. As we slowly start to finish up this meditation, just allow your awareness now to come back to the present moment. And just note one thing that you're grateful for in this moment right now. And allow that gratitude to fill your body, wash over you, and carry you throughout the rest of your day.